Hi guys, welcome to Ebusiness Prime channel. I'm Zoe. In China, many foreign investors want to register Alipay account for their enterprises because with QR code, you can transfer or withdraw money easily and quickly.
China is walking into the era of the end of cash. Many will bank from the laptops and make payments on their phones. The birth of Alipay is absolutely a revolution.
However, it's not easy for foreign investors to register Alipay account because in China, your passport can't be recognized by Alipay systems. So please follow me and I will tell you how to register it.
Firstly, you must take a photo with holding your passport like that. Only the scanned copy of your passport cannot be verified. Take a complete photo of your business license or provide scanning copy of that, but it must be clear.
Thirdly, you need to provide a new email. For example, if you already have an Alipay account for personal use, the email address you type to this Alipay account can be used again to register an Alipay account for enterprises.
Finally, you have to get a phone number with your real name.
You probably come into the worst situation that your information can't be recognized by Alipay system. But don't worry, you just need to go to the industrial and commercial administration to transfer your file. So the whole process of registration lasts for half a month. So just be patient, and after that you will enjoy your life more convenient and more comfortable. So if you have any further inquiries about how to register Alipay account for enterprises, please contact me. I'm Zoe in Ebusiness Prime channel, the best partner in China. Thank you.